the deployment of Applexion New Tech, our process department is entering an exciting new phase. Up to now, Applexion software products, Run 4.0 and Perform 4.0, have been mainly used in the R&D and Services. They are now part of our daily work in the process department, and this is a big step forward. We are currently in the first phase of implementation, defining every sensor, signal, and scenario that Run 4.0 will use. This is a demanding task that combines coding, process mapping, and teamwork, but it's a real investment for the future. Run 4.0 and Perform 4.0 are two platforms ready to manage many different units, from various customers to diverse applications. With this foundation, future projects will be faster to implement, more reliable and easier to manage. Most importantly, they help us anticipate production issues instead of dealing with them afterwards. As an example, the Run 4.0 platform can detect small deviations during a commissioning phase, like a pressure, a flow rate, or even a pump behavior, something that we might not have observed. And beyond detection, it also provides recommendations. Thanks to its automatic root cause analysis, Run 4.0 assists us and the client in selecting the actions that will have the greatest impact on the unit performances. Early detection of these deviations means greater reliability and saved time. It's still early, but we can already see how Applexion New Tech is changing the way we work, making our processes more connected, more predictive, and more efficient. For our process team, this is the start of a real transformation, one that will strengthen our expertise and help us work even more closely with our clients.